In this video, I will show you how to generate high-quality matching sound effects directly inside Flow Studio using their latest AI tools. Getting the perfect audio to match your visuals used to require external software, but you can now do it all in one workflow. To get started, you need to activate the correct model. Open the settings gear icon in Google Flow and make sure you select the VEO 3.1 quality option. This specific model is optimized for high-fidelity outputs that sync well with sound. Once that is set, look at your Preferences panel and ensure the generation toggle for audio output is turned on. Without this toggle being active, the system will only render the video files without any sound. The real secret to success lies in how you format your text prompt. You need to use a dedicated audio prompt parameter by adding a specific block at the very end of your visual description. For example, if you are creating a scene of a cybernetic warrior sprinting through a rain-slicked alleyway, you should type your visual description first and then immediately follow it with the word audio. Inside that section, describe the exact background environment and any synchronized action sounds you want to hear. You might specify heavy metallic footsteps splashing in puddles, the constant sound of pouring rain noise, and a low electricity hum from nearby neon signs. This tells the AI exactly how to layer the soundscape to match the movement on screen. By following these simple steps, you can create immersive cinematic clips with professional sound design in seconds.